Hi, this is Michael Talis with the Talis Team. Today I'm going to show you a Los Altos ranch home. It's a classic ranch built in 1956, located in Los Altos Highlands, pretty close to Loyola Corners and about halfway between Loyola Corners and Homestead Plaza in Cupertino. That's where Trader Joe's right next to 280 is. Anyways, let me turn the camera around and show you the house. The house itself is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. So very quiet. And it's a classic ranch. What I like about it, look at the roof lines. Usually when you have original floor plan and good layout of the house, you have pretty simple roof lines. So garage is here and bedroom wing is over there. It's a pie-shaped lot, very large, over 11,000 square feet. And the home itself is a little over 1,700 square feet. So as you approach, you're on the porch. That's where you set up a bench and we'll be able to sit and enjoy the scenery of the front yard and saying hi to the neighbors. As you enter, let me close the door. To your left is the kitchen. Kitchen was nicely upgraded with new appliances and new cabinetry. So it's soft closing cabinets, drawers. Stainless steel appliances. But there are some signs of original construction, like this ceiling fan. When the house was constructed, hoods were not common and these ceiling fans were everywhere. And here in the corner, in the cabinet, you get a Lazy Susie. So you can use this space more efficiently. Quick pause before we check out the rest of this house. I get asked all the time by viewers like you about where the Silicon Valley market is actually heading. If you have questions about buying, selling, or investing anywhere in the Bay Area, please don't hesitate to reach out. I absolutely love talking real estate and connecting with you guys. Text, call, or email me anytime. My info is in the description of this video. Now, let's get back to our tour. Nice appliances. Also in the kitchen, you have a pantry. Continuing to this door, we can get into the garage. So when you come home and bring your groceries, that's the best way to get your stuff into the kitchen. It's a 2-car garage. With some storage space up by the rafters. Let's go back. Going back to the front door. As you enter, you also have coat closet. And this way you have combination of living room, dining room. Large windows, really bright room. And I don't even have lights on in this room. Wood burning fireplace. That's one of the benefits of older homes. You cannot build wood burning fireplaces anymore, but if you like wood fires, you can keep these. And from here you can see part of the backyard that is very private. And an open door into the kitchen. This actually has a pocket door, so if you want to hide your cooking or dirty dishes, you can close it completely. Here, it's a family room with a second fireplace. Again, huge windows into the backyard. And this door, it's another way to get into the garage. So this way we're in garage again. From the family room, you also have a door into the backyard. Let's check the bedroom wing. So for privacy, you have a door between the bedroom wing and the rest of the house. And here is one of the bedrooms. Altogether, this house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. But given the size of the lot, you will be able to make this house probably at least twice bigger. Well, maybe a little less than twice. Or you can build an ADU or both. And shortly I'll show you the layout of the yard, and it will be more obvious how you can do that. Second bedroom. And by the way, this house is air conditioned. So you have central forced air system that includes air conditioning. This bathroom is of generous size, but probably will need a little bit of TLC in order to bring it up to date. You have shower over tub. And a linen closet built in here. All the way from the ceiling to the ground. Here in the hallway, you have washer dryer hookups. And this is set up for an electric dryer. The house has gas and it also has a crawl space. So if you really want, you can easily pull a gas line to this corner and get a gas dryer. And this is master suite. Yeah, master bathroom is not as large as we would expect these days, but this house is a great example of California ranch homes. It's partially upgraded. The floors were refinished. Some of the appliances, well, we already went through the kitchen. Kitchen is new. And also here, similar to the family room, you have a door to outside. It's a Dutch door, so you can open the top part. Or both, so you can get out. Now we're in the backyard. Yeah, the roof line is very similar to what you see up front. Nice covered section here. The yard is very private. Here you have a side utility yard. But most of the space is to the right of the house when you're looking at the front of the house. That's where the lot gets wider, and you will have a lot of space to either extend the home or build an ADU. You will be able to have a separate entrance. You see the gate over there in the fence, and you can have an ADU with its own private yard, and you don't have to share much with whoever will be in that ADU. So if you like the house and have any questions about this particular home or any home in Los Altos for that matter, please give me a call. My contact information is in the description of this video. This is Michael Talis with the Talis Team, and I'm an agent with Coldwell Banker Los Altos. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Till next time.